The Staniot 7-inch home alarm system is a powerful and stylish way to secure your home. Featuring a 7-inch IPS full-color HD touchscreen with a 1024 by 600 resolution, it delivers crystal-clear visuals that elevate both usability and appearance. Whether wall-mounted or placed on a table, its elegant design blends seamlessly with modern interiors. What truly sets this system apart is its built-in 115 dB siren and buzzer, ensuring you're alerted immediately to any suspicious activity. It supports up to 150 accessories, allowing for complete whole-home coverage, and includes anti-fingerprint touch controls for quick and easy protection. The system is powered by a robust 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, keeping your home protected even during power outages. With no extra fees or contracts, you get full control through the Tuya Smart app, enabling you to arm or disarm remotely, check real-time status, and customize device names for each sensor. You can also set up to 5 emergency phone numbers that will receive calls and messages if an intrusion is detected. It supports OTA online upgrades, ensuring your system stays up to date with the latest features and enhancements. Plus, with voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, managing your home security becomes as easy as speaking a command.